Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. It's another beautiful Sunday morning here in Dallas, Texas. We're on our way to meet up with a few of our buddies on the Dallas Hypers. You guys have seen them on the channel before if you're a previous viewer. If you're new to the channel, go down below and subscribe to the channel and drop a like. It means a lot to me and I'd really appreciate the support. There they are. It's not bad out here, dude. It feels good. I'm happy to just fucking be back on the bike and riding. It's been like 2 weeks since I even started this fucking thing.
Yeah, you've been off for a bit, bro.
Yeah.
We'll be a good cruise up there. The weather's perfect today. Yeah. Put together a whole new playlist of riding songs too. I'm still on the Led Zeppelin train.
What are you listening to? Led Zeppelin 1?
No, I am Led Zeppelin radio.
So just anything that comes on? Yeah. I gotcha. I like that first album a lot.
It's good.
Yeah.
So I'm now realizing there's a ton of other Led Zeppelin stuff that I actually like.
Yeah.
Which is cool. So, and then I got a little I switch between EDM radio and Led Zeppelin. Doing the Fortunate Sons while you mob around on the Hyper.
Hey, we got to get a night ride planned.
Yes.
We'll figure something out. Let's go just fucking ride around.
I was honestly thinking about next weekend, seeing if you guys want to do a little night ride around Dallas.
I'm good with that. That'd be sick, dude.
Especially.
Is that your new Ducati shirt? Yeah. Nothing like mobbing through the streets with your boys on a Sunday morning. It's been a couple weeks since I've been up here with these guys and since I've even been on the bike. 2 weekends ago I was up in Kansas City. If you guys are previous viewers of the channel, you know that I had a 2019 Ford Raptor. I traded that vehicle in and I just got a brand new 2022 4Runner TRD Pro, black on black. Super sick car, I'm super happy with it. And then the weekend after that, took my brother, my girlfriend, and his girlfriend to UFC 277, which was Amanda Nunes versus Juliana Pena. That was here in Dallas. That was an awesome event, but we were out so late that I was just completely exhausted and didn't make it up to any bike events that weekend. I was supposed to already have my headers installed earlier this week, but had to cancel that appointment. David, the dude that does most of the work on my bikes, he runs a race team, and he was completely swamped with things going on with the race team and stuff. So I had to postpone the install of the headers till this week. So look out for that video. That'll be coming out after this one. There's some rolling shots for you. This week we also got Throttle coming up on Thursday night. Hopefully we'll make it out to that. Headers will be installed on Wednesday, and it sounds like these guys want to try to plan some sort of night ride this weekend. I don't know if that's going to be on a Saturday or Sunday. And then we will, of course, be back up to Texas Bikes and Coffee next Sunday, which is where we're headed right now. I'll be interested to see what kind of turnout they got up here. The last couple weeks they've been changing up the location and stuff, but we're back up here at our usual spot. I would think that would mean that there would be a lot of people that show up. A lot of familiar faces and familiar bikes. This is a great community. So last night we were all up at Max's new apartment. He had a little housewarming party there and invited the dudes out. I was curious to see how he was going to be feeling this morning. I think that he said he was only up to about 1:30, so not too bad. Me and my girlfriend left at about 11, and everybody made it out to the bike thing. That SC Project Exhaust is singing today. Oh, Max got himself a little fanny pack. Gotta find some damn parking today. There's a little lineup with the crew. This might be the biggest turnout that I've seen here yet. Little 1299 action, a couple Triumphs, Royal Enfield. What's up, Mike?
I don't recognize. Dude, I need so much help, dude. I didn't even recognize you with their helmets on.
Gotta drop this stuff off real quick.
Hello.
This right here is like content inception. Got this dude filming the bike, and I'm filming him filming the bike. All right, I'm gonna shut this down, get some coffee, and we're gonna hop back on the bikes here shortly and ride out to the shop. And we're back, getting ready to roll out. Got the Hyper Boys getting everything fired up. Mike over there getting suited up on the Duval, ready to ride. Those are some interesting glasses. Good turnout this morning. Talked to this dude here who just bought this 2016 Ducati 1299S. That's a pretty badass bike. We had a cool little lineup here just for photos and stuff up here on the curb. Somebody needs gas. Do you like them? The Domino?
I love them. They're super grippy.
I think I'm gonna get some black ones with the red. You have a full system, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the whole PowerWorks thing.
Yeah, I'm hoping this is gonna be a lot louder. We'll see.
Oh yeah. Once you get rid of the cat, dude, it's gonna be so loud.
If not, I'm gonna have to switch to the CRT.
Give me like 5 minutes. I gotta drop a deuce.
There's your good old gas station takeover. MV, Ducati, and KTM. There's that Texas morning sun hitting the bikes. I don't think I made a point to show you guys in the last couple videos, but Brandon took off all the fairings off of his Hyper Motard and replaced them with dry carbon. I believe that's from a company, Moto Composites. It turned out really, really nice. This is a 950 SP Hyper Motard model. He's got full exhaust system, SC Project slip-on, PowerWorks headers. Really well done.
Dude, that would have been bad. Oh, it's my key.
Alright, so all the way down the tollway and 35?
Mom.
Looks like we picked up a 6th rider. That's funny. This guy looks like he's on a cross-country tour. Not sure how well it's going to come across on the GoPro, but I guess I should probably address the little check engine light there. So what that is I had a IMU sensor warning pop up on the screen, and then the check engine light came on. It's been on for about 2 weeks. I haven't had a chance to address it yet. As I was telling you guys before, I had an appointment to get my headers installed, and they were going to look at the check engine light and kind of figure out what's going on there. Talking to them on the phone though, it sounds like it's probably electrical system related. They said that these bikes are real finicky about if the voltage of the battery drops, it can trip off different sensors in the electrical system, so shouldn't be any big deal. At least keep my fingers crossed that it isn't. And hopefully I'm not doing any damage to the bike by riding it today. Just didn't get to address the issue on Wednesday like I was hoping, and really itching to get out on the bike and hang out with these dudes and stuff, so rolling the dice. Making sure I'm still filming. This sick Land Rover Defender 110. I'm a big fan of those, other than the fact that it would terrify me to own one. Everybody will tell you those things are a maintenance nightmare. Here comes Max with the pass. He's out there doing the chicken dance with his legs. Alright, so I'm not really sure how much GoPro battery I have left, so I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. If you guys enjoyed the video, as usual, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell to catch future content, and look out for the next couple videos. Like I said, we're going to be headed up to the shop and getting the headers installed, getting the check engine light addressed, and getting the rear sets dialed in, so I need to make a couple adjustments to those. For those of you who want to enjoy the rest of the riding footage from today, I'll leave whatever I have here at the end for you, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace. And that, my friends, is the Sunday bike mob. Everybody made it here safe. Go inside and get some breakfast. Guess you guys are still with me here, so I'll go to sign off. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel for future content.
We came cruising in the parking lot in 6th. Come on!